In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and view all comments that you've made on YouTube ever from an account. So what you want to do is log into your YouTube account. I'll show you first on desktop and then over on my iPhone on mobile. Once you're here, you want to go to the YouTube homepage, as you see I've done here, and select the three lines in the upper left-hand corner to bring up the sidebar. Once you're here, you want to go and click right here under You in History. Once you're under history, you'll see your watch history and all of the videos that you've watched recently. Over on the right-hand side under Manage All History, you should see one that says Comments. If we click into Comments here, it'll open up a new tab and we will see every comment that we've made on YouTube ever. As long as you've never gone through and deleted these and the history, you will be able to go back for years. I have some from all the way back in 2018. I'm not going to obviously scroll to those right now, but as you can see, as I get to the bottom, it will refresh and bring up a whole new set of comments. If you want to delete a comment, you just click the X right here. It says confirm you would like to delete this activity, and then click on delete. That will delete that specific comment. If you want to navigate to the video in which that comment was made on, you just go right here where it says commented on, and then you click the blue URL right here, and that will open up that video in a new browser tab. Now, if you're trying to do this on mobile, go on to your YouTube app as you see I've done here. Make sure you are logged in and you want to tap on the You or profile image in the lower right-hand corner to bring up your history and playlists and all of the things underneath that channel. You then want to tap on the history button there at the top where you see history and the right pointing arrow. And then once you're here, you want to go in the upper right-hand corner, the very top next to the search magnifying glass, and you want to tap on those three vertical dots. Once here, you want to tap the option that says Manage All History. It has a gear icon next to it. Once you're on this page, you'll see three tabs. You'll see History, Controls, and Interactions. You want to tap the third one that says Interactions. Then go ahead and select underneath Video Interactions, Comment, Likes, and Dislikes. Click on that right there. And as you can see, you should be able to see all of not only your comments, but likes and dislikes as well. As we scroll down, you can see it's just an endless list of previous comments that I've made. If you want to delete a comment, you tap the X next to that comment like so. It says confirm you would like to delete this activity. Tap delete, and that will be removed forever. Again, tapping the blue URL underneath that comment will take you to the video in which you made the comment. If you have any questions, I'll put a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.